A debrief with the Harris County Attorney Christian Menefee on why his lawsuit over the governor banning masks and vaccine mandates is bigger than just pandemic rules, since the governor had to suspend the Disaster Act laws in part to do it.
If the governor is able to suspend laws and prohibit local officials from keeping people safe under a law that's designed to help keep people safe, then the system is not working the way that it should.
Are there any major differences between the lawsuit you filed and the lawsuits we're seeing filed by other municipalities? And if not, why are you not all teaming up and filing one big lawsuit together?
Well, that's a great question. Local governmental officials want to be able to take action, and they want that action to happen very quickly. And so there's not as much time for coordination across this huge state to go and file one omnibus massive lawsuit.
And when the governor argues that he's fighting on behalf of the power and right of individuals to make their own decisions about their safety, what do you say to that?
He's only allowed to do what the Constitution and the Disaster Act allow him to do in emergencies. And if he's exceeding his authority under the law, then those acts are illegal and he's not allowed to do it. And so we're going to let the courts decide who's properly exercising their authority. It is the primary job of the legislator to make laws. And if the legislator intended to give the governor the ability to unilaterally suspend large swaths of laws, then we have a real problem on our hands.
Will you be surprised if the rulings go in favor of the governor?
No, we're in this process because the fight has to happen. So our worst case scenario is the status quo. I think it's incumbent upon us to put this in the hands of the court and let the results lie where they may.
But Menefee reminds that you have a voice in this, encouraging those of you with strong opinions on whether local authorities should be able to issue mandates to formally document your sentiments with your county and state leaders, or even with the governor's office, because remember, they all work for you.